rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hey everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and joining me this time are John Rossman and Pat Booth from Almo Pro AV. Welcome, you guys. Thanks for joining.
Thank you so much for having us.
How are you?
I'm really excited because you guys are here for a reason. We're talking about JBL's Roadshow. So first of all, could one of you tell me a little bit about this Roadshow? What's the story? And what's this event? Who's it all for?
Sure. Yeah, this is really exciting. JBL has been doing a nationwide roadshow. They started, I believe, at the beginning of summer and have continued from the West Coast all the way to the East Coast of the United States, stopping at cities across the way, showing off their new installed speakers, amplifiers, control systems, a bunch of really fun stuff where customers actually get a chance to see and hear the installed speaker products that they might not get to experience in real life very often. And what's really exciting about this upcoming stop we have in Charlotte is that we're going to be partnering with our friends at Barco. And Pat, maybe you can say a little bit about what's going on the Barco side of things.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
please.
for sure. Very similar to what JBL is doing. Barco is bringing their Alliance Partner Collaboration demo onto the road. So instead of just your typical tabletop where you're walking through trying to have some conversations, they actually have, in addition to the JBL room, Barco's got a complete meeting room set up with some of our other partners from Legrand, Sennheiser, Hudley, Netgear, ViewSonic, so that you can really get an immersive, experience for the end user. So they can come in and instead of just looking at one component on a table and another component on another table and then the audio down there, you've got the whole scope of the room right in front of you. So in addition to that, they're also displaying the new hub product, which we're still hopeful will be shipping by the end of this year, which is going to be a game changer. Once certified by Microsoft, the Barco hub, both Core and Pro, will actually be a complete solution for somebody to come into a room and you can actually start a Teams meeting right from that device. We're not there yet. We got to ship them first, but once we get there, it'll be a very exciting thing. But again, from a standpoint of what the users can experience, it's really kind of more like a touch and feel. I guess like the touch tank at the petting zoo. You know, you get a chance to really kind of go in there and play and see how the solutions work together.
That makes a lot of sense. John, what are some of the JBL products that people are going to be able to get their hands on and really be able to hear in person?
Yeah. So the biggest thing that they're debuting that we're really excited to share is the new Control 400 series ceiling speakers. They started rolling them out at the beginning of this year, but this will be the first time that most customers will get a chance to hear some of the sonic improvements that are in that new series. They'll also have a couple of models that they'll be passing around the show, so you can actually get your hands on them, see some of the new installer-friendly features that they added. In addition to that, the entire rig, and I should say that it's a pretty big setup. They have a bunch of ceiling speakers, a bunch of surface-mounted speakers, subwoofers, pendant speakers, the whole thing, and it's powered by an equipment rack that's just chock full of Harman stuff. So in there, they're debuting the new Comtech D series amplifiers from Crown, which are really exciting 1 RU flexible power sharing amplifiers that are coming out here very soon. It's all powered by BSS London processors. They'll also be talking about their new Omni series digital signal processors, which we're really excited to debut. And the video side of things is all powered by AMX and their AV over IP solutions. So it's really cool chance to see the Harman family working in tandem all in one room.
No, absolutely. And is this event, is it more for like end users? Is it more for consultants, for integrators? Is it for everybody? Who do you recommend to come?
Everybody. Bring your grandma if you want. If she's looking to set up a collab space in her knitting room, let's do it. Bring her in there. We will set her up. Really, it's very similar stuff. You've been to our E4s. It's that kind of environment. We want to encourage the end user to get there as well. I work with Barco on the business development side. Obviously, John works with Harman, but Barco, our field sales team here at Almo and the field sales team at Barco are really kind of united to work together. They have some specialists that deal nothing but with end users. So it's great to get them out there, because then you could really see what the full scope of the project is. You're talking to the actual end client. They get a chance to see this stuff in action. And all of the partners I mentioned are part of Barco's ClickShare Alliance, which means that these are products that are tested and certified to work with the ClickShare solution. JBL is among those, has a lot of the products that are in there. So what we're really trying to do is present an event to the customer and to the end user. They can all come together and kind of see it all in play, and get a chance to speak to our reps, the field reps from all the different vendors that are going to be there as well.
Exciting. No, I get it. I'm gonna call my Meemaw right after this, and I'll tell her we gotta go.
I mean, if Meemaw's looking for somebody to conference with, oftentimes on Thursdays I have an afternoon slot, so we can talk whatever she's interested in. So
Perfect.
I'll phone up for it to make sure Meemaw's happy.
Perfect. So, from both of your perspectives at Almo, both of you as BDMs, what roles do you guys see yourselves playing in supporting the roadshow, and how do you think it aligns with Almo's focus on industry education as well as like technical enablement?
Well, at least from my perspective, it's all about bringing the sound, the music to the people. I like to think of myself as kind of a liaison or a bridge between the manufacturer, Harman, JBL, Crown, BSS, and the sales folks here, which means that I'm a liaison and bridge to our end users and our customers. And this is such an exciting thing for me to be a part of, because so many times we're talking about loudspeakers, we're talking about amplifiers, we're talking about how great they sound, but that really doesn't mean anything until you actually get to hear these products in a situation that would be like what you're hearing them in the real world. So it's such a cool experience. So like Pat said, bring your Meemaw, bring anybody that you think might be interested in listening to some music and hearing some speakers in a real world type situation, because it's kind of a rare chance to do that.
Piggybacking off of everything John said was great. How it mirrors what we do at Almo is, in terms of Pro AV, you will not find a distributor that is more focused, more immersed in Pro AV. It's what we do every single day. So you can go to a big box reseller. You can buy your Pro AV equipment from the same place that you're getting your blades for your servers. The problem is that we do this 24/7. We have a huge, John and I are on a team of about 30 different business development managers, service development managers, that our main focus is to make sure that we are communicating the message with our vendor partners to our sales team, and also making sure that that's effectively done to the customers and the end users too. That's why we love these kind of shows, because it really gives us a chance. Somebody out in Charlotte, some elementary school in Charlotte, is not going to have a chance to talk to somebody from JBL Harman every single day. This gives them a chance to get in ear with the manufacturer, let them know what their concerns are, and it's a win-win for everybody.
No, absolutely. I guess the last question is, so it's on October 27th. It's in Charlotte, North Carolina. So for everyone to find out more details, where can they go?
Well, we should have a QR code that's up that customers can go and register for the show. You can also go to jblpro.com. Oh, awesome. So you can also go to jblpro.com and you can register through that link. And I should also mention that everybody who registers and attends will get a free $25 Amazon gift card just for showing up. You get to hear some cool music, play with some cool tech, and you get a little bit of spending money in your pocket.
All right, Charlotte AV Tweeps. There's nothing better than that. So thank you guys both for joining me. And yeah, good luck. It sounds really exciting. And everybody make sure to go check it out. We will leave this QR code up just until we leave. But thank you guys so much. And hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much for having us, Steph.
All right, this has been another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
rAVe Radio with rAVe.